guys, mga kilo dyan. So, my name is Nordi Cabrillos. So, let's tackle about the topic of Daniel 7. Tackle of vision of four best. So, let's talk about four best. So, in Daniel 7, verse 1, in the first year of Belshazzar, king of Babylon, Daniel saw a dream and vision of his head as he lay down in his bed. Then he wrote down the dream and told the sum of the matters. Daniel declared, I saw in my vision night, and behold, the four wings of heaven were stirring up the great sea, and four great beasts come out of the sea different from one another. The first was like a lion, had eagle's wings. When as I looked, its wings were plucked off, and it was lifted up from the ground and made to stand on 2 feet like a man. And the mind of a man was given to it. And behold, another beast, second one, like a bear. It was raised up on one side. It had 3 ribs in his mouth between its teeth, and it was told, arise, devour with flesh. After this I looked, and behold, another like a leopard with 4 wings of a bird on its back, and the beast had 4 heads, and dominion was given to it. After this I saw in the night vision, and behold, a 4 beast, terrifying and dreadful and exceedingly strong. It had with iron teeth. It devoured and broke it pieces, and stamped that what was left that were before it, and it had 10 horns. I considered the horn, and behold, 3 come up among them after horn. A little horn, a little one before, which 3 of the first horn were plucked up by the roots, and behold, in the least horn were eyes like the eyes of man, and a mouth speaking great things. So, the lion, the first beast that have talking about this beast is a lion, is one of the Babylon Empire, which of the gold of kung atong tanawan ang picture nga katong usa ka larawan, ang kini nga Babylon, ang kini nga lion, nagsimbolo ni siya og gold, ang maong ulo, ang maong Babylonia nga maong giharian ni Belteshazzar. So, next na best is talk about bear. Bear is one of Medo Persia. Medo Persia is the silver of our cheese. Then they defeated by the Babylon and Lydia and Egypt. So one of the great nation. Then the second and the third best that talking about this is leopard, which is Greece or Empire. Greece Empire. So this a great leader that kanang gipanguluhan ni Alexander the Great, or ano siya, this part of the bronze of the picture. And then this 4 leader, the leader of Alexander, Symachus, Philotomy, and Seleucus. This a 4 best, this a 4 leader that nag-guide o nag-leader sa panahon sa Greece Empire nga mao ang leopard. Then ang the last is the great beast that are called very a great beast. It had dreadful and exceeding strong. It had great iron teeth. It derove and broke it pieces, and stamped what was left with its feet. So kini siya nga mananap, adunay ning tubo sa iyang isa ka sungay nga gamay apan nagpanulti og mga mahait nga mga words, or nagsulti siya sa mga kanang hait or mga great nga mga words nga anay pride. Then may paggawas ani nga usa ka sungay nga gamay, ang tulo ka sungay nawala na ibot tungod sa iya paghari nini. O mao kadto ang four best akong sabtan. Og adto na yung clarification, brother.
What? Why is it more important that we should know this prophetic event?
So very important no for me as a theologian, or not only me at dili po sa ato lang kundi sa atong tanan, is because to become a prepare to someday nga ma-prepare ta what unsay gusto ipasabot sa Ginoo sa ato, nga unsay angay buhaton nato nga to kana bitang ready ta sa maabot nga panahon nga what happen maunsa atong kalibutan ginapasabot o gi-prepare na tadaan sa Ginoo nga sa maabot na nga panahon kabalo na taon sa sunod-sunod ug unsay angay nato buhaton. So
Kato daw ikat. So as a Christian, what should we focus based on the Daniel chapter 7? What's the message that we need to focus?
so no, as I read this book in Daniel 7 verse 1 to 8, nagtalk kini siya about og for best. Then kini nga best, ang kato nga mga best nga nahitabo sa mga miagi about sa lion, sa leopard, sa other best. So nanggawas na to siya, nahitabo na to siya. So mao to siya gipasabot og ang mga nasod or the kingdom. So ang as a Christian, mas maayo ang focus ta sa mao ang last of the last nga kuandre mao ang kingdom, nga mao ang dragon nga mo'y mudugmok, mo'y mubungkag ug mohari sa tibuok kalibutan. And then as a Christian, dili ta need nga kining lang mag-focus lang ta ani nga kining panghitabo. Dili lang ka mag-focus lang ta ani ug mahadlok ta ani, kundi malipay ta ani ug dapat ang atong ikalipay kay hapit na mobalik ang Ginoo ug maangkon nato ang kadaugan. So mas malipay ta as a Christian nga ang tanan mahitabo, ang tanan maabot, ang tanan kaya nasulat magid sa Bible nga ang tanan nga panghitabo ma-fulfill gyud siya. So maabot gyud ang katapusan ug maabot gyud ang kinabuhi nga may katapusan.